Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and basically it was an inside day yesterday. Traded out as high as 35.75. They got down into 34.91. Bears couldn't convert 3,500. Bulls couldn't convert really much of anything. The opening regular session print yesterday was 23.5, and we spent the vast majority of the day below that. Hourly chart, you can see yesterday's regular session, it was a series of lower highs that really just didn't go anywhere, and the violent bounces. We're still seeing these trapdoors and these mini pops, 6, 7, 8, handles. The ones yesterday really weren't associated with any particular piece of news. So you just have a very jittery tape, which is making it really hard to hold anything and really hard to take any larger profits beyond 3, 4, 5 handles. The hourly mid band had been trying to be resistance. It kind of traded either way in the overnight. They go up and they grab 35.24. So again, right up to yesterday's opening area. Then they promptly bring it right back down to 3,500. Can the Bears convert 3,500? No, they can't. We're trading 35.03 on a pop back to 35.06 as I'm doing this at about 7:30 in the morning. So for me, as we head into today, hourly mid-band, which right now is linked up with the daily pivot, is going to be your bull-bear area for the day. Volume-weighted average price is also there at 35.10. Proprietary moving average 11.5. So as we get into the day, if we're going to have a clear winner or a clear loser, it's going to be born out of either a higher low at this area that moves or a lower high at this area that drops out. What you don't want is door number 3, which is a little bit of what we got yesterday, which is let's chop along this area while everybody fights over the stimulus package. So keep an open mind as you go in, take profits where you find them, respect risk, and understand that these little phantom pops and drops, they're going to happen, and they're just part of the tape. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.